How to fix COD Warzone dev error 6634 on Windows 10. To fix COD Warzone dev error 6634 on Windows 10, try 1. Install the latest hotfix for your Warzone app. 2. For Steam players, scan and repair your COD game files. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Install all Windows updates. 5. Reinstall all shaders via the Restart Shaders installation option. 6. Change loadouts or operators to the Modern Warfare ones and check the outcome, remove all your skins. 7. Change to another COD account.